Here we have two different connectors. XT90 is written on these, XT90i on those. So what's the difference between XT90 and the 90i? Well, these have the plus and minus connections, male and female, okay, but the I has those small connectors also, and the pins also. So for example, this one will not go into that one because of those center connectors, and those cannot enter here in the center because there is no hole for those. So XT90 is not compatible with XT90i. 90i has the two center connectors also. They have these gray plastics. These don't have the gray plastics. By the way, exactly these don't have that half pipe shape. They are flat, so it's a little bit difficult to solder them. And if you remove these plastic covers, just pop them off, and the center connectors are also visible. These have these half pipe connectors which can be connected much easier compared to those. So XT90, XT90i. These have two connectors, those have four connectors. So you just push that on like so. The other one also is the same thing. These side elements are holding the other one. These can be connected, but one of these cannot be connected because of those two center pins. They will not go in, but these will connect. 90i female can be connected to XT90 male. So here's an XT90i. There's an I at the end there, okay, and I cannot connect this one there because it has two more connectors. Okay, one is missing. If you don't want these small ones, just pull them out. Get a tool, grab it from there, and now it's not coming out. And yes, it came out. So without these two, which are now leaving the hole there, two holes, without those, now you can connect the XT90i to the XT90, like so. Just pull out the small ones, and just because those are missing where the holes are, the other one can be connected without any problem.